Today I'm going to teach you how to give her a breast massage. But first, why would you want to massage her breast? There are so many benefits to massaging her breast. In Tantric and Taoist tradition, they believe that breasts is an emissive part of her heart chakra, where she pours love onto the world from. And so by massaging her breasts, you connect to her heart, and then they believe that her pussy opens up through her heart. And it really is true, because that's why women, they want to establish the emotional connection. The context is important to them, so they can open up down there as well. And on the scientific level, when our breasts are being massaged, we release tons of oxytocins that rush to our brain and make us fall in love with you, makes us want to bond with you. So let's run through the benefits quickly. Number one, it helps us with detoxification. We have a chain of lymph nodes around our chest area, and so by massaging them, you help her to remove toxins from her body. Number two, by massaging her breasts on a regular basis, well, she should do that as well, right? You can share this information with your wife if she does it every morning in the shower, as long as 3 minutes, and it will do wonders for her. So you sensitize her breasts, and so you increase the chances of you giving her a breast massage or a nipple massage. In fact, there is one study being done, and they say that large breasts are less sensitive, 24% less sensitive than small breasts. Isn't that interesting? And they think that's due to the fact that small breasts have less fatty tissue, but they're not sure about that. But I'm actually remembering now, I had a roommate from Argentina, and she had very, very large breasts. And I remember we would talk about sex, and she would say, I feel nothing. It's like you're touching my breast, you're touching my arm. There is no difference. And then I remember I had another roommate, and she had no breasts. She was flat, but she was having those breast orgasms. But regardless of the size, you make her breasts more sensitive, right? You feed them with oxygen and blood flow. So if your woman does not feel much while caressing her breast, by giving her regular breast massage will sensitize her nerve endings, and she will be more sensitive in time. Plus, you circulate, you feed the blood flow and the oxygen, is all good stuff. Number three, by giving her regular breast massage, you can notice some unwanted things that can develop in the breast, right? So it's very useful for that matter. And number four, as I've already mentioned, by massaging her breasts, you're connecting to her heart. By opening her heart, you open up her sexually. So I've created a free pussy and breast massage guide. You will find it by clicking on the link in the description below. But let me guide you through breast massage here briefly, right? You're gonna use a coconut oil, rub it between your palms, and you're gonna start from her stomach. And so the guide is more descriptive than that, but I'll just describe it for you briefly here. So you can caress her stomach, and then you're gonna put your flat palm and you're gonna run it through the stomach, up her chest slowly. Pay attention to how she feels. Up and over her breasts. Go sensual, go slow. So in that guide, I combine pussy and breast massage together, but on its own, and of course, it can be a beautiful practice. And you can improvise with the movement, right? You can place your palms flat on her stomach, right? And then you can just run your palms over the chest, right? And massage them that way. Then you can massage the other direction, right? Then you can cup her breasts, and you can do these kind of motions, right? And just see and feel her. See her reaction to how she feels, right? So just know that nipple itself, it's a very sensitive area, and if you rub it directly, it might not be as pleasurable. It depends also on the woman, of course. But the areola around, it's a very, very, like the babies, they latch onto it and we don't really feel much, right? It's the nipple that's very sensitive. You can cup her breasts, put your palms on top of her breasts, and just kind of like shake down. Always look out for her reaction and how she responds to it. Talk to her, communicate about it. This stuff might look simple, but it really works. Alright, gentlemen, that's it for today. Please subscribe, like it, leave me a comment. I'm still doing my research. please drop me a line, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.